All right, this should be the last day. I know I've said that several times, but this is going to be the last day. All the finish is down on Jackie's desk. And my last piece is to reinstall all the hardware on the drawer mechanisms, the tilting tabletop, and then we'll be fabricating and installing a piece of steel on the very bottom of the cabinet structure to prevent any more deflection of the tabletop. And then I'll take it over to Jackie's house, and probably need to put it in the back porch for a while because it's still off gassing finish. So that's it for today. Over temp. Okay, down to the last, putting the drawer glides back in and the drawers. Got the steel put in. Went in there pretty well. There is no deflection any longer. I'm pushing pretty hard here. It's sittable. So now just the last pieces. That's it for today, and then I'll just take it over to the paints, and I guess I'll be moving on to the next project. There we go. And there you go. One writing desk. With a drafting table top. I hope she likes it, because she's gonna have it for a long time. So clean up a little bit and get this over.